Request a single-use denture container and a disposable toothbrush from the dispensary. In the unit, place the dentures in the denture container and spray with Biotext. Close the lid, wait 5 minutes, and then we will wipe with the paper towel. Once 5 minutes are up, we're going to wipe the denture with the paper towel. Be very careful that the dentures don't fall and break. We're going to wipe the outside of the denture container with a disinfectant wipe. With clean hands, we're going to carefully transport the denture container to the adjustment room. There are instructions here on the wall that you can follow if you forget the steps for cleaning dentures. Okay, make sure you don the necessary PPE, so have your gloves, mask, glasses on, or goggles on. Once you're in this room here, you can leave the denture container over here, and we're going to grab a plastic bag, and we're going to write 3 things here. We're going to put the client's initial, so let's just say JS is the client's initial. We're going to put the student initial, so FD would be the student's initial. We're going to put the time, so the time is 10:30 a.m. And that's it. Now I'm going to take this bag, and you'll see beakers around here. I'm going to put this bag in the beaker. I'm going to take the dentures from the denture container and gently put the upper and lower denture into the bag. In this bag, I'm going to pour tartar and stain removal into this. If you don't see this out, it will be in this cabinet over here. This is a new one. Okay, and I'll pour this, and you just need to pour enough to cover the dentures. So once the dentures are fully covered, we're going to seal the bag. So I'll just take the bag out so you can see the dentures are fully covered in this solution. And now I'm going to seal the bag. Put it back in here. I'm going to take this beaker, and we're going to put it into the ultrasonic bath. The ultrasonic bath already has solution inside. I'm going to take this beaker, put it into the ultrasonic bath, place the lid on the ultrasonic bath, and turn it on for 2 minutes. Once 2 minutes is done, it will turn off. And what you're going to do is remove the beaker from the ultrasonic bath and put it directly into the sink. If you notice that the bag opened during the cycle, or if any solution spilled into the ultrasonic bath, contact the dispensary staff immediately. They will change the solution and disinfect the area. What you're going to do now is you're going to open the bag and remove the dentures. I'm going to pour the contents of the bag down the sink and put this bag in the garbage. I'm going to brush the dentures lightly with the disposable brush that you got from dispensary and rinse thoroughly under the running water. Be very careful not to drop the dentures because it could break. I'll grab the denture container, put the dentures in here. Gently, we'll open the disposable brush that I got from dispensary. And brush the dentures with running water. Put the dentures back into the container. Spray with Biotext. Wait 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to rinse the dentures thoroughly. And then I'm going to lightly wrap the dentures with a paper towel. Be very careful with the dentures so that they do not fall or break. The glass beaker that is here in the sink, I'm going to wipe it with a disinfectant wipe. And leave it beside the ultrasonic bath. I'm now going to wipe the outside of the denture container with a disinfectant wipe and remove this to the unit. One side note is when you are storing the dentures, it's important to fill it up with water so that the denture retains its shape and does not warp.